Guangzhou, Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou.
Okay, we're gonna try to see what this is all about. This is the party pier area. I can already see there's kind of interesting stuff up there. But we're gonna walk around and kind of try to figure it all out. See where we are. So stay tuned for that. Guangzhou, the party pier up on the map, so you can see exactly where people party at in Guangzhou. So this is a little bit early in the evening, but you can get an idea. The lights are down and the lights are on and the sun is down. And it's not full on, but you can at least get an idea of, you know, what's there basically, because I'm going to walk through the whole thing. Anyways, let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. The Guangzhou party pier. Okay, so it looks like they're building stuff. And it looks like I'm gonna follow this person out here and see. So I think we're gonna be going over there. Yeah, so I saw one of these had like a big Guangzhou sign on it. Looks pretty cool. So I don't know how that's all gonna develop. And I guess the waterfront is over here for the party pier. So we'll definitely check that out and see what that's all about. And we still got our lighting too, so it's not quite too dark yet. Okay, looks like we go in over there. So we are gonna go check this out. It looks like we're gonna be going here first. Party pier. Oh, there's party pier up there too. Okay, I've never been here before, so I'm kind of learning. So that looks like where we're gonna go, and there's a train track, and then you have the oh, here comes the train right there. And then over there you have let's try to get a better view. It looks like we can go up there maybe, but you can have the Guangzhou Tower over there too. Okay, so I think we should be going up, but there could be going down here too. Let's go up. There's the skyline. I don't know if we can go up there or not. I don't know if those are different clubs, but I guess we're gonna go up there and see. Okay, so we have BJM Club, City of Sky, Coco's. It looks like there's actually layers up there too. Okay, my first time here, so it looks quite like there's a lot of options here. A lot of interesting stuff. So they're called Cowboy. So I can see where people would probably end up here. It's so rocky. Hello. Okay, let's keep on going up. So it looks like we got more stuff over here too. And more stuff over that way. So let's just okay, so it looks like we can go up there or straight ahead or there or down there or up there. So quite a few different places. Let's try to find a different vantage point and take a look at all this stuff from a different angle. Party Pier. Okay, now I understand the train. There's a train stop right there. So the metro stops right there on the waterfront, right underneath the Party Pier. So that makes sense now. Okay, let's try to feel how far down this goes. Panoramic guide to Party Pier. Jojo's. We started down by Bay GM. So I guess we're probably almost at the end already. So I guess it's relatively, we'll see. I don't know. There's Money Machine. We'll see how far down we can go, and then that'll give us an idea. I love Party. You can see that being in a lot of photos, especially with your group you went out with. So it looks like there's more stuff down that way. There's the Guangzhou Tower in the distance there. Jojo's Riverside. Looks like we do come to an end over here. So we got Moneymaker, and then I can kind of see what looks like an end. Looks like they're doing some building up ahead, up on top though. Money Machine. Okay, let's go all the way to the end. Bathrooms. Okay, to the right. Oh, okay. So there's more stuff down here. So it's kind of quiet. I imagine later it'll be probably quite busy, but I won't be able to film. It'll get too dark for this little GoPro camera. Nice skyline though. Okay, so now we're looking back to where we were. Now we're close to the waterfront as well. Here's a lager beer place. And it looks like we go all the way down to, we'll just kind of see, but it looks like there's more stuff down this way. So we still haven't got all the way to the end yet. But yeah, there's more here. It's kind of nice, you can sit outside, get these nice breezes. Okay, so we're gonna go down all the way down to the end. So they got music out here too. It's nice. That's really nice. Okay, let's go all the way down. Okay, so we're still going down. There's another bar. Kind of hate to miss stuff because it's kind of interesting. Okay. And that's the end. So it looks like they actually have something set up for another bar here. And you got the skyline. And I couldn't tell you that much about it because I don't know Guangzhou that well yet. I'm learning. And then so we came all the way down to the end. So I think we're gonna find some key points and then we're gonna film on the way back down. Give you an idea what the whole thing looks like. Kind of weekday before everything gets going. I'm sure to get quite busy late at night. Okay, we're walking back, but it's kind of interesting. That says 9th floor Vino restaurant and bar. Vino is the Portuguese word for wine. So it is kind of cool, especially you can be out on this waterfront, enjoying the nice fresh air, especially here, South China. Kind of cool. You got like a Guangzhou Tower and such. Kind of got to get away from the music a little bit though. Okay, now I get a better view of the Party Pier 9 Vino right there. Looks like there's a bunch of bars right there. And looks like you can actually go to it right from here. I thought it was removed a little bit, but looks like it's also part of the Party Pier. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're back to the money machine one. And now you can have a nice view of Guangzhou Tower in the background there. Pretty cool. JoJo's. So we'll go kind of sporadically and capture some more on the way back. So those are the ones that we didn't walk through, but there's some like costume stuff that looks kind of interesting. Maybe people rent those out. And then you got these like giant, I don't know, it's like factory stuff. But when we first came in, we also saw some factory stuff too, like silo kind of stuff. So that's kind of interesting that that's all here too. They really converted it nicely. It's I kind of heard about this, but I didn't really know what it was exactly. Party Pier, but actually it looks like just a nice place to get outside. I thought it might be like just I just didn't know. Still don't know. Never been here at nighttime. Never been here before. Never been here late at night. JoJo's. They kind of have like, looks like these are like the backside of restaurants, or maybe that's all one big JoJo's. So maybe that's one big restaurant right there. You got food stalls over there, it says. So, okay, so we're going to come out to the end here. You can see the Guangzhou Tower in the distance there. And there's the Guangzhou Tower. So yeah, this is basically what the whole place looks like. You just walk right on the platform. There's some boats in the distance. And yeah, I guess you can catch a train here. Confusing for me. Usually have to get a ticket for that. Anyways, Party Pier.